Sherry, we've talked a great deal about Cranmex and its basic benefits to the human condition. Tell me why we should really look as closely as we can at a natural substance as opposed to an antibiotic whenever possible, and what the potential deleterious effects of antibiotics can be, and what your suggestion is as the result of that.
Well, I think there are a number of health concerns that result from taking antibiotics. Antibiotics destroy bacteria, but they do that in an indiscriminate way. And what I mean is that they don't just destroy the bad bacteria, but they can also destroy the good bacteria. And although we don't like to think of it, we have bacteria throughout our bodies. Our gastrointestinal tract is filled with bacteria, and some of these good bacteria have a role in maintaining health. And these are the friendly bacteria, such as the Lactobacillus acidophilus and the Bifidobacterium and others that are normal inhabitants of our gastrointestinal tract. And when we take antibiotics, it can deplete these friendly bacteria